Please join me in welcoming Miss Simran Nagwani, a dynamic professional with over 4 years of experience in public speaking. As a skilled anchor, ma'am has captivated audiences with her engaging stage presence and has successfully hosted numerous events. In addition to these achievements, she is also a talented content writer and a creator, helping brands craft compelling content for their marketing campaigns. Today, Simran ma'am will share her expertise as a public speaking trainer, guiding us through effective communication. Simran ma'am, the stage is all yours, and we are eager to soak in your wisdom and experience.
Hello everyone, welcome to our public speaking workshop. I am Simran Nagwani, as you know my name. I am excited to be here with you today. We are going to have a lot of fun learning how to speak confidently and clearly in front of others. By the end of our session, you will be ready to shine in your next speech or presentation. Public speaking means talking in front of an audience. It's a skill that helps you share your ideas and make sure people listen to you. It's important for school projects, presentation, and even just talking with your friends. Now, overcoming stage fright. Sometimes you might feel nervous about speaking in front of people, and that's okay. Here's how you can feel more comfortable. Practice a lot, be prepared, and remember everyone gets nervous sometimes, and that's okay. Could tell a fun story, share a cool fact, or ask a question. For example, if you are talking about animal, you might start with a funny story about pet, or you can start with poetry. If you listen that poetry, एक मोटा हाथी घूमने गया, and you can start with this from joke or from poetry. Right now, keep it clear and fun. Make sure your speech is easy to follow. Talk about one thing at a time, give examples or stories, and use words that everyone understands. Also, use words like first, next, and finally to help your audience follow. Like when I give my introduction, so I should give my introduction like, hello everybody, my name is Simran Nagwani. I should not do that. Like, hello everybody, my name is Simran Nagwani. I am an anchor. No pause, no end. That will not understandable. Okay, okay. With a great finish. When you finish your speech, remind everyone what you talked about and end with something memorable. It could be a question, a joke, or a final thought that makes everyone think. Example, I hope this event gave you learning, happiness, and some positivity. By the way, what are the three reasons that makes you happy? So you can end like this. Okay, perfect. Like if I am speaking you right now, what if I off my camera? It's not interactive, right? So be confident and look at the eye of people. Next slide, please. Use your voice. That is very important. Change how you speak. Use different tones or speeds to make your speech more exciting. If you are telling a happy story, use a cheerful voice. But if it's a serious topic, speak slower and be clear. Now it's your turn to practice speaking. I'll give you a random topics and you will have 30 seconds to give a short speech about it. Okay. So we'll give the speech. You have 30 seconds.
Okay, a book. Yes, a book. Consisting 4 words, but a knowledge which is more than an ocean. Yes, I'm right here. When you start to read a book, it's not just about the concentration or how you read it or is it of your interest or not. But it is made of the knowledge that you haven't been to before. Book doesn't is always about romance, dark romance, or I shall say crime, not geopolitics, but it's a thing that will have each and every kind of retention. Yes, it will hold you and keep you motivated to read it. Yes, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. So, memory is a treasure of the mind. Very good evening to you all. I'm 𝐊𝐞𝐲 𝐓𝐚𝐤𝐿, and today I'm here to share my perspective on what is the memory.
as we all know that memory is the thing that keeps us engaged in something, and we also take use of our mind so that we can do something great which we are not yet knowing. And if we know something, then we are making it like complete, uh, extracting more knowledge from something. So memory is most important than knowledge. Thank you so much.
Perfect. Amazing.
So, Simran ma'am, thank you so much for sharing your invaluable insights with us. This session was absolutely enlightening.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, everybody.